There's a sort of natural order or flow to language learning, which you can visualize as topics giving rise to questions, which give rise to answers, verbs, and vocabulary. For example, if our topic is bowling, the question may be, do you like bowling? Or when's the last time you went bowling? To which you might answer, yes, I like bowling, or I went bowling last weekend. In that case, the core verb starting points to express those thoughts were I like and I went. The vocabulary at the very tip of the tail here would be bowling and last weekend. You can replicate this process yourself by choosing any topic, and you'll probably find that the rest of it generates itself effortlessly. Everything follows the topic as if the topic were the head of a dragon and the rest is the tail. Recently, a friend of mine pointed out that when you arrive at the tip of the tail, which is vocabulary, often the vocabulary becomes the new topic. For example, when we got to last weekend, the conversation might pivot on that word, and now we're talking about last weekend. Our question might be, what did you do last weekend? The answer, I saw a movie. Our verb starting point being I saw, and the vocabulary, a movie. And now the topic is movies. Question, what movie did you see? And so on. At that point, I realized that the language learning dragon was actually an Ouroboros, or a snake which eats its own tail. The great cosmic serpent of language learning is actually like this. Now imagine it's like a Ferris wheel, and you can get on at any point. You may choose to begin with a topic in mind, and learn to ask questions and give answers on that topic. Or you may choose to get on at the verb point, practicing expressing thoughts within a given verb tense. You could even begin with vocabulary, learning the words for various things, and then practicing using those things in a sentence. In my experience, the complete beginner does well by beginning with vocabulary and working backwards, moving counterclockwise. In other words, beginning with a noun and then finding a verb to create a sentence. The slightly more advanced student can begin with a verb and let the verb flow into vocabulary. Fast forward to the advanced speaker, all you have to do is introduce a topic and that person can speak freely on that topic. Please feel free to leave comments or ask questions about this method, and thanks for watching.